What you're really going to love about this particular property is that I have 6 townhouses and 1 villa, and they're brand new. So it's a luxury new development which will be constructed and finished, fingers crossed, at the end of 2022. So you have plenty of time to organise yourself with your finances and be ready to move in, hopefully for Christmas in 2022. You may be wondering why I'm standing here in this park-like area. I'm at the Macquarie Rivulet, which the development actually backs onto this area, and that flows into Lake Illawarra. That's how close we are here, and what a beautiful place to be able to come to and just wander around in with nature. The 6 townhouses are all 3 bedrooms. We have built-ins in every room. There's 2 bathrooms, which includes the ensuite, and a single garage with internal access. The bathrooms are sleek and fully tiled from floor to ceiling. You will enjoy the benefits of ducted air conditioning. In the design is the separate living area. You have a separate dining which flows off the kitchen, and there are double glass doors which then give you access to the outdoor patio area, which is the perfect design for entertaining. So the garage is remote controlled, the driveway, landscaping, the clothesline will all be there for you, as well as the letterbox. This location is fantastic because it's really nice and quiet. However, you have easy access with a 10 minutes drive to Dapto, about a 7-minute drive to Albion Park, and 20 minutes to the beautiful Shellharbour coastline. Welcome, I'm Joanne Danckwardt from One Agency JD Property Agents, and I'm here at 36 to 38 Gerongar Crescent, Haywards Bay. Thank you for watching. I look forward to hearing from you, and bye for now.